Yep. When it's just pushing everything down, and we're still not getting hit by all of it. This is just a little bit. So yeah, like I said, power's out and we're just in the dark. That house down there still has light. I think they have a generator. Yeah, you can barely see it through the trees, but not sure. But yeah. See, now we're in a predicament. The dogs want to go outside and use the bathroom, but they can't go outside because they'll probably get picked up and thrown down the street. So now we have to try to take them in the garage, but they don't want to poop in the garage. That's the problem. That's the problem. Come on. As you guys can see, it's a lot more water now. So it's water and rain, and that palm tree right there broke. Well, you can see that's a good surge right there. That was one of the bigger surges. And yeah, you can see that palm tree right there broke. That one right there. But yeah, we're still hanging in here. Hopefully it doesn't get worse. Pretty sure the power's coming back no time soon. But yeah. It is now 8:10 a.m. and still getting worse. As you can see, more trees are breaking. And yeah. And for some reason our alarm keeps going off. Even though we don't have power. That's what I don't get. Like you can hear it right there, like it keeps beeping, but I don't know. But yeah, I'll do another update. I'm doing updates hourly. So yeah, when 9 o'clock hits, then I'll do another update. Okay, it is now 1 o'clock, and you can see multiple tree branches are down. See some over there on the ground. The neighbor's pool mesh ripped, and there's just a lot of wind. Last time I read, I could have sworn it said about 2 o'clock is when we're supposed to get the full blunt of the hurricane, so that would make sense. But yeah, you see multiple tree branches broken. Still a lot of wind, and I don't even know what the front looks like. Everybody's starting to come outside now. It's not too bad. It's 7 o'clock at night. We have a 4 o'clock curfew. I'm not supposed to be out here, but it's whatever. You can see a downed tree down there. Downed tree. It's not that bad. I thought it was gonna be worse. Not as bad as I thought. But yeah, you can see palm trees everywhere. That's my angle for you. You guys can see, yeah, we kind of got hit. It's not bad though. It actually dropped down to a category 2 when it was a category 3 when it hit us, but it dropped down to a category 2 while it was hitting us, I think. So it's not as bad as everybody was making it seem. Like I said, I wasn't gonna freak out about the hurricane because we've gone through this before. It's not as bad as everybody makes it seem. So yeah, neighborhood got hit, but not bad. So not even tripping. And yes, we have the cars, both the BMWs in the garage, so it's not that bad.